Hi, I'm Annie, an illustrator, designer and all-round creative soul. I love to make things and discover new ways to share my art. Having purchased a Cricut Maker machine last year, I've thoroughly enjoyed incorporating this tool into my creative practice. Making stickers is not only good fun, it's a great way to get your art out there. Stickers themselves are fab for planners, journals and packaging. It's a good way to test customer response to your art. In this class, I'll show you how to use and set up a home cutting machine. We'll have tips on designing your own stickers, both traditionally and digitally, using the iPad Pro and Procreate. I'll show you how to use Photoshop to edit and refine your artwork, and look at Cricut's Design Space software. We'll also discuss the different sticker papers when using the print and cut method, and how to cut stickers as both kiss cut and die cut stickers. So by the end of this class, you'll be all set up and ready to create your own stickers.